Everyone, welcome to Pepo Coin channel. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will subscribe by the end of this video. As you sit here, you're probably thinking, all right, yeah, but when, after hearing about the quadrillions of money that are out there? You know, cryptocurrency is worth a certain number of trillions of dollars. Quadrillion sounds like one huge paradise, doesn't it? It's all phony, absurd, and will never take place. And saying that may seem simple to many people. However, you begin to see that it's not some fairy tale as you begin to learn more about what's happening around names like the DTCC. This isn't some kind of assurance. No, it's taking place right here. Additionally, you must keep in mind a few names that are connected to the DTCC. In essence, this is Wall Street. These are the major participants. The big money is here. Wall Street is connected to the DTCC. It's connected to the most well-known names. Subject to regulatory evaluation and approval, the NSCC subsidiary is prepared to expand clearing hours in order to facilitate longer trading with a target implementation date of the second quarter of 2026. Let's take a closer look at this. The DTCC, the leading post-trade market infrastructure for the global financial services sector, announced today that its National Securities Clearing Corporation, a subsidiary of the NSCC, will extend clearing hours to facilitate extended trading. This is expected to happen in the second quarter of 2026, pending regulatory review and approval of any necessary rule changes, because the NSCC will be able to apply its central counterparty guarantee to overnight activity across several time zones for worldwide players. Extending clearing hours would maximize liquidity and lower counterparty risk, increasing client value. I take it that this is likewise in favor of what the Nasdaq wishes to accomplish, due to the fact that everyone is suddenly discussing 24/5 trading. Additionally, we will eventually reach 24/7. However, in order to serve our clients and further enhance the market's safety and soundness, we are expanding our clearing hours in response to the growing demand for U.S. stocks trading around the clock. The DTCC is dedicated to spearheading significant industry-wide projects that benefit the sector and the investing public. We're excited to keep collaborating with other industry players to ensure a successful deployment. In order to maintain a constant perspective of the U.S. trading day, we continue to work with SIFMA. SIFMA is now working with all of our members on the suggested trading hour expansion, and its members advocate the creation of a uniform U.S. trading day for all exchanges, which gives a global clientele more access to U.S. markets. To maximize damage to businesses and current post-trading clearing and settlement procedures, the sector must overcome a number of obstacles posed by the extension of trading hours. What's crazy about this now? Isn't it the changes themselves? What must truly occur in this situation? Okay, if we are considering all of this, in addition to SIFMA's affiliation with the DTCC, the CEO and founder of 24 Exchange are both speaking today, and they are both connected to 24X National Exchange. Next came Blue Ocean Technologies, followed by Bruce Markets, the CBOE, and Nasdaq's North American markets. The major actors on Wall Street are the NYSE, RQD, and, well, dudes. Therefore, all of the major players are collaborating to move 24/5 trading around in a manner similar to the second quarter of 2026. How are they going to accomplish this now? In any case, recall the February post from the DTCC. Our sector is changing due to digital asset technology, which presents opportunities and problems for asset lifecycle management. In order to provide the infrastructure needed to scale digital asset management, Composer X was developed to connect TradFi and DeFi. Developed in accordance with industry standards, the Composer X is a secure, scalable, and dependable solution that unifies traditional and digital asset management. Down here, Open Interoperable and Future Ready offer robust tools for transactions, account administration, and ecosystem-wide adoption, facilitate flexible tokenization, and interact seamlessly with old systems. They also speed up expansion with scalable data tools. Considering what is happening here, tokenizing on-chain is the most effective technique to trade around the clock. Isn't the liquidity present? The most important factor in all of this is the liquidity. Trading around the clock is impossible without effective liquidity management. You also need technology that is incredibly efficient. New infrastructure is required. Actually, Vlad Ziniev, the CEO of Robinhood, stated that blockchain is necessary. Here, blockchain is the most important factor. Additionally, see how the DTCC is promoting digital assets via innovation and cooperation from our guests over here, creating a complete digital ecosystem that propels the sector. Take a look at this. Major financial players hold DTCC. The main institutions may essentially build the future financial market infrastructure on this level of neutrality. Being at the center allows us to see the problems the industry is facing as it attempts to utilize this new blockchain technology. Our call to action is this. This is the purpose for which our organization was established. At DTCC Digital Assets, we may collaborate with our clients in a number of ways to develop an all-encompassing industry solution that will facilitate the uptake of digital assets. My team at DTCC and I are currently focused on working closely with the market and beginning to develop an end-to-end ecosystem. Once more, all of this is done through digital assets, and you can imagine how much money the DTCC moves annually. $3 quadrillion. For this reason, we claim that the space will receive quadrillions of money. Wall Street is prepared. Indeed, do you recall this from Mario Nolfo over here? This was recently uploaded on March 7th, guys. In 2026, NASDAQ intends to provide 24-hour trading to revolutionize international markets. They made the audacious announcement today that, subject to SEC clearance, they will begin offering round-the-clock trading on its stocks platform in mid-2026, going beyond its existing 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. ET hours to accommodate demand from across the world. The transformation brought about by foreign investors in Asia and regular traders who are addicted to cryptocurrency access might increase the exchange's daily volume by $200 billion and draw in industry titans like Apple and Tesla. Additionally, rivals like the NYSE Arca and 24 Exchange, which coincidentally collaborate with the DTCC on round-the-clock trading, are already extending their hours. Now we come over here as well as we consider this. This is new now. The announcement of this was made on the 18th. Texas will host the NASDAQ's new regional headquarters. Interesting, huh? Everything begins to make sense at this point. All right. Therefore, the NASDAQ is following the trend of large companies escaping overly regulated jurisdictions in search of pro-business conditions. The action comes after the New York Stock Exchange announced plans to open an exchange in Texas, indicating a significant southward movement on Wall Street. Texas's advantageous legal and regulatory environment keeps drawing in top businesses. Now, this post is what makes this intriguing. Do any of you recall this from June? TXSE Group launched the Texas Stock Exchange with support from BlackRock Citadel Securities. Keep in mind that Citadel only recently entered the world of digital assets and crypto custody. Additionally, BlackRock is heavily tokenizing, and in January, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink stated that he wants the SEC to quickly approve bond stock tokenization and what it would mean for cryptocurrency. Interesting, huh? As a result, BlackRock and Citadel, two major players who entered the cryptocurrency space and want to tokenize heavily, are currently racing to tokenize stocks, bonds, and equities. They are also starting a stock exchange in Texas, which is also where the NASDAQ plans to announce its new regional headquarters. I have no doubt that none of this is related. Additionally, keep in mind that the NASDAQ has been writing a lot about tokenization over the past few years, dating back to 2023 and even 2022. Equity share tokenization, the investment of the future, offers much more than just a commercial potential. Additionally, as I apologize, new infrastructure is needed to materialize asset tokenization marketplaces as of March 5th of last year. Without the infrastructure upgrade, you don't have any of these 24/7, 24/5, and other fantastic huge moves. Adopting cryptocurrency, which is a technology